Got a sudden sweet craving? In this next 2 minutes, I will show you a crispy, flaky sweet treat that is ready in no time, and trust me, everyone will ask for more and more. This sweet is very simple yet absolutely irresistible. It's buttery, flaky, creamy and packed with delicious crunchy surprise. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started and make this delicious sweet puff rolls. Let's start by making a quick delicious filling. In a bowl, add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of dry shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, about 2 tablespoons of melon seeds. This adds a nice crunch to the rolls. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. Now the filling is ready. Let's move on to the pastry sheet. This is my pastry sheet. This is at room temperature. I'm just going to give a light roll. In another bowl, I have taken about half a cup of cream cheese. I'm just going to give a quick mix using a spoon. This helps us to make it nice and smooth so that you can easily spread it on the pastry sheet. It's ready to go on the pastry sheet. Let's spread it evenly. Nice and even. Now it's time to add the filling. Evenly sprinkle the coconut brown sugar filling. Give it a gentle press with the back of spoon. It will stick nicely to the cream cheese. Now roll it tightly just like this. I also have a spicy puff roll recipe on my channel. Please do check that out. Cut it into an inch size pieces. Arrange them on a lined baking tray, leaving a little space between each of them. Brush each rolls with the egg wash, which gives a beautiful golden finish. Now it's ready to go into oven. Bake it at 360 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. And here they are, the gorgeous sweet puff rolls. The aroma of cinnamon is so good. It's so crunchy, flaky. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.